10 Wisdoms of Chief Albert Luthuli. 1. True freedom is not merely the absence of oppression, it is the opportunity to be what God intended us to be. This emphasizes the importance of self-actualization and living authentically, even amidst adversity. 2. No man is free who cannot choose for himself. This highlights the fundamental right of individual choice and self-determination. 3. Ours is not a struggle for racial domination, but for the removal of racial domination. This clarifies the fight against apartheid as not about one group replacing another, but about dismantling discriminatory structures. 4. Hopelessness is not a state of mind, it is an attitude of the soul. This encourages active agency and responsibility in overcoming challenges. 5. The greater the love, the greater the tear. This acknowledges the pain that comes with deep love and sacrifice for a cause. 6. Let us leave our differences behind and come together as South Africans. This promotes unity and reconciliation, even amidst diverse perspectives. 7. Suffering is not enough to create solidarity. There must be a purpose at the heart of the suffering, a goal beyond the suffering. This emphasizes the importance of intention and shared vision in collective struggles. 8. There is no easy walk to freedom anywhere, and many of us will have to pass through the valley of the shadow of death again and again before we reach our destination. This prepares people for the long and arduous journey towards liberation. 9. I have asked myself the question whether it is right that we should ask for freedom for ourselves while others are denied it. This reflects on the interconnectedness of freedom and the need for a universal struggle. 10. Let us not falter, let us not grow weary, for in the end justice will prevail. This instills hope and perseverance in the face of difficulties and setbacks. Thank you for watching and sharing. By Daily Wisdom.